ATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, unfortunately, the threat of heavy rainfall and flooding over the next couple of days. Some locally heavy rains even tonight. We'll get to that in just a bit, but painting the big picture, where is the excessive rainfall going to be over the next 24 hours? Primarily southeast Texas into southwest and central Louisiana, where there's a high risk of rainfall rates of about 2 inches per hour or greater. And it's not so much about the amounts, but how quickly it comes down. And if you get 2 inches per hour in 2 hours, that's 4 inches, and that will flood the streets anywhere and then could do a lot worse as well. So that's for Wednesday. There's a moderate risk of excessive rainfall, and that risk then shifts to the east as we head into Thursday, and there's going to be several inches of rain. We'll get to the model data coming up, but the next couple of days, rough weather days ahead. You can see on the satellite imagery some thunderstorms moving across our region. The area of disturbed weather kind of falling apart. The upper level winds are not conducive for any kind of tropical development, but all this deep tropical moisture heading northward, and there's an upper level low back to the west that's going to be interacting with this moisture over the next 24 to 36 hours. That's why I've been saying since this weekend I'm a little fearful for a heavy rain event across the area, and it looks like that's going to happen. The question is, who's going to get the most rain? And we can't answer that, but we can paint the broad picture coming up in just a bit. We do have a flash flood watch in effect after midnight tonight, and that will continue through Thursday afternoon. Per the National Weather Service, they're indicating 2 to 4 inches of rain will be common, with isolated amounts much higher than that, and we have a lot of isolated amounts higher than that on our computer data. So here's the radar right now. We have some pretty strong showers and thunderstorms all the way up through the I-20 corridor, and then locally we've seen some locally heavy showers and some rumbles of thunder across the region. Pretty heavy storm across portions of Vermilion Parish is beginning to weaken. It's been spanning into Acadia Parish, keeping Crowley wet as well, but it's been between Kaplan and Gaydon and north of Forked Island. And then off to the east, we see some locally heavy downpours as we get down toward the Sippermore Point area, right along the Iberia and St. Mary Parish line. All this activity moving northward, and there's more coming in on and off overnight tonight. And here's the high-resolution rapid refresh model indicating the risk of scattered showers and storms, and then there's going to be more developing toward tomorrow morning, and then I've raised the rain chance for tomorrow from 70 up to 80%. It seems to be a no-brainer. We'll have breaks at times from the showers and storms, but more activity moving in during the course of the mid-afternoon. We get to tomorrow evening. It looks like we get a break through midnight, but then more action on the way, and we'll show you that in just a bit as you can see how things fire back up as we head into the overnight hours. Typical perhaps of a tropical system. Here's a weak area of low pressure Thursday morning at 4 a.m. So that's where the heavy rain and storms will be, and hopefully the heaviest storms manifest offshore, but that's not a promise. Here's Futurecast showing pretty much the spirit of the same thing. This is a different model, but showing the threat of locally heavy rainfall continuing as we head into tomorrow night, and then especially overnight tomorrow night into Thursday morning, with the strongest storms hopefully pushing off to the east by Thursday afternoon. But rainfall totals, here's the high resolution model run. This only gets us through 7 a.m. Thursday, so there's going to be more. So we know 2 to 4, 2 to 5 is a good call. Heavier rains offshore as we get out into the Gulf of Mexico. This corresponds to better than 15 inches of rain, so hopefully that stays offshore. But you can see some pretty high rain amounts even over toward the Port Arthur area, but these numbers will change. But it says a widespread area of 4 to 8 inches of rain to me, and so does this latest run of the RPM model. And the RPM did shift the heavy rains offshore last run, but now bringing it back into southwest Louisiana. So again, the numbers will change, but the bottom line, 4 to 8 inches of rain possible over the next 36 hours, and isolated spots may see more than a foot of rain, so we'll have to watch that. On top of that, a coastal flood watch in effect, a coastal flood advisory, but that's going to change to a watch more than likely, and maybe a warning, because winds are going to be pushing up along the coast of 2 to probably 2 feet or so because of these strong strong southerly winds, so tides coming up as we head down along the coast, so that could inundate portions of, say, Sycamore Point. You can see water coming up in around the Delcombe area as well if it gets higher than 2 feet, which I think it has 2 to 3 foot potential. So scattered storms overnight tonight, rain chance at 70%, some heavy downpours, but I don't expect any flooding tonight. Tomorrow, periods of rain with embedded storms, and they get heavier as the day wears on. Rain chance at about 80%. We'll say a couple of inches of rain tomorrow, then a couple of more tomorrow night. Here's the hour by hour look, but as I indicated, 2 to 5 for tomorrow, and higher rain totals overall will get into the 4 to 8 inch range, possibly more, and elevated tides along the coast. Very high rain.